Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. I'm Tiffany, and if you're new here, welcome, and please consider clicking that subscribe button. I'm sure you'll enjoy becoming a beautiful like the rest of us. So today, we are going to do a quick unboxing and a review of the RevAir air dryer. I forget the official name of it, but I'll make sure everything is in the description box. So today we're going to talk about the RevAir, and I know there are already plenty of videos out there about it, but my thing was I have fine hair that I call angel hair pasta, and I wanted to see how is this thing going to work on my fine hair. So stay tuned and we're going to see, does it get 2 beautiful thumbs up, 2 beautiful thumbs down, or a beautiful thumb up and a beautiful thumb down. Let's check it out. Here we go. Alright, so this is the box that it comes in. I was really surprised when FedEx or USPS, whoever dropped it off at my door. I said, wow, a big old box for a hair dryer. But yeah, it's huge. So I got my handy dandy box opener and cut the box open, and I couldn't wait to see what I had. So when you first open the box, you have your quick start manual and your instruction manual at the top, both of which I lost before I used it, but you are able to find the information online in case that happens to you like it happened to me. So underneath all of that, yeah, those are your directions. I still haven't found them yet, but oh well, I'll find them. And like I said, it's online. So after that, you open the remaining of the box, and that is where the hair dryer is. And yes, it is huge. The hose takes up a lot of the space there. And you see, it's nice that the dryer itself comes in that nice bag, and they give you a little hair tie there. It would be really nice if the bag was big enough to fit the hose and the dryer part itself. That way you wouldn't really feel like you're walking around carrying an elephant, but oh well. And that's the other thing, it is heavy too. You'll be surprised how heavy it is, but at least you don't have to hold that part while you're drying. You just hold the hose and the wand. Nothing else in the box. And that's it. So once you take the bag off, you can see the machine itself. And I'm working with one hand, so it might take a moment, so I apologize. But you see that dial there, the blue and black dial, that is your tension setting. That is where you adjust how much air will be pulling on your hair. I use it on a setting of 2 because of my hair being fine. I didn't want to use anything any higher than that. And I think they tell you to start there just to get it adjusted and see how well you're used to it first. And you see the on-off switch is right there at the top as well. I'm still struggling with one hand to take this thing out of the bag. I'll get it eventually, I promise. So yeah, that's the device there. And on the back, and you'll see it again, that's the cord. And that's a little section there where you can put your cord, as well as that part right there in the back. You can wrap the cord around that. Then you have your hose on the other side. And a few tips there before using the RevAir. They say don't apply any oils to your hair before use. I did use the cheese silk, I forget what that's called, on the top part of my hair, not on the back, but I used it on the top. Alright, so that there is the wand, so we're going to take off the hair tie that they gave us and see what the wand looks like. And at first this thing is very intimidating. It can be scary. It's like, you want me to put my hair in there? Why? What's going to happen to it? Those were my thoughts when I first saw this. I said, where do you want me to put my hair? Is anything in there? No. So as you can see, it's nothing in there. I thought it was something that would actually grip your hair, but no, it's just the force of the air that pulls your hair in. And that is the heat setting there on the side. I believe when I did it, I had it on the 2 lines, which is the high heat. At one point I had it on the 0, which is kind of neutral. They say that the RevAir is like half the amount of heat of a regular blow dryer, but it gets it straight and stretched in less time. Alright, so now for some really embarrassing shots of me blow drying my hair. So this is my first time with it, and I was really afraid. I didn't know what was going to happen to that piece of hair that I put in there. But of course, everything turned out fine. So you have to move the wand around on your hair like that so you can get to your roots. And that was my first piece, which I was really surprised at. Had to do a quick little lift check. And yes, this thing is loud, so I do recommend try doing it when everybody is awake. Don't do it when someone is asleep because it's loud. It will keep you up for a while. Like I said, it sounds just like a vacuum. I think it really is based on a vacuum. But yeah, as you can see, you can just, once your hair is in the wand, you just keep the wand on your head and then just move it around so that you can get to your roots. Alright, so now let's speed this up a bit. Alright, so I'm all done, and I actually liked it much better than I thought I was gonna like it. I think with practice I could get my roots better, but all in all I think my roots are good. They're better than I thought they were gonna be. That's why I say with practice I think I could get them better. Plus at first I didn't have a comb, and I accidentally switched the buttons to the zero neutral button, I think, and when I was doing the middle, so that didn't get as good. But for my fine hair, I use this setting here on a number 2. Alright, so here again is the tension setting, and right there, that's how you remove the hose to get to the filter basket. They do recommend cleaning it out, cleaning any hair or dust that may get in there. Just clean that out of there. And you can also wash it and put it in the dishwasher if you need to. And just a quick check again. That's how my hair turned out. Alright, so that was me using the RevAir. Yes, extremely embarrassing. But this thing is amazing, and drum roll, it totally gets 2 beautiful thumbs up from me. It was expensive, it is heavy and bulky, and I really don't have a place to put it in my house because it's so huge. But I think it was a good investment. I really enjoy it. It worked fine on my fine hair, my angel hair pasta, and I totally recommend it. I don't understand how it works. I don't even understand how somebody came up with it. Did they just, was their dryer broke one day and said, oh, I think I'll use my vacuum to dry my hair? I don't get it, but I'm glad they did, and I'm glad I have it. I can't wait to try it again, and I may actually try it and see. I'll wash my braids and see how well it dries braids as well, and I'll let you know how that works out. So again, the RevAir, 2 beautiful thumbs up from me. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching, and continue to live beautifully. All right, bye everyone.